Hi everyone. So today I filmed this look, this olive green look. Something very different for me. I've never done green on my eyes. And I wanted to do something like fall, smoky inspired theme. The weather is clearly changing here finally, thank God. I wanted to do a little smoke, a little something fun. So yeah, this is the look and keep watching if you want to learn how. This is the palette we're gonna be using today, the mini, because I can't afford Denona Natasha, also known as Natasha Denona. Okay, it is the mini gold palette. I bought it because it had this olive color in it. I realized that I don't have any color like that. I was like, you know what? I saw Jackie Aina do an olive look in one of her photos, and I was like, I want to try that. And I usually hate green. I hate green and purple and orange, except if it's like mint green or like a super light pastel-y purple. I'm into pastels. I'm gonna start by priming my eye with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Ivory. So I'm gonna start with the eyes today, and then I'm gonna do the face off camera for you guys. Today's a great day. The presidential election has been declared. Biden is the winner. Thank baby Jesus. Thank whoever you wanna thank. Thank the people who really put in work, because they should be thanked. I'm gonna set my eyes with the Coty Airspun powder. I'm gonna use this palette only, yeah. So we're gonna go in with this shade called Lodge. I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush. This is like BH Cosmetics, super old. Could not even tell you. All it says is 5, but I think it was 5 in the set, not number 5. The light is changing because outside it's like cloudy and like moving, so sorry. So I'm just going in with the Lodge shade from the palette. And just, honestly, I've been liking lately putting this shade like very close to my eyebrow. Up here. I don't know why. Switching it up. I have another of these $25 mini palettes from her. Mini Glam palette, which is also great. They're pretty good shadows. I mean, I would hope so for the amount of money she charges. I think even the $25 palettes, the little 5 mini ones, you know, it's $5 per shade. To me, I'm like, okay, that's a good deal. I think they're a good purchase, and I'm glad I got this olive green one because I used it the other day and it turned out really nice. I broke my nail like 2 minutes before I started filming this. I just painted them yesterday. Honestly, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna use this little flat brush. And it already has the green on it from the last time I did this look, because I haven't cleaned anything. I'm just into the olive. There's a little bit of kickback, but it's not that big of a deal. We're just gonna tap it on. I like this because it's kind of like an alternative to the very warm, smoky eyes we see a lot during this time, which are also very fun and great, but like, for me especially, I don't think I've ever used green on my eyes. I'm pretty confident in saying that. So this is a nice departure for me and trying something else, and I'm glad I tried something else and it actually worked. Because that's like ordering a drink or just like a new dish at a restaurant. You're like, you know what, I'm gonna be adventurous, I'm gonna try it. And then you get it and it's like, I don't like that decision. I don't like what I did there. So I'm glad this worked in my favor. And so we're getting all the way to the inner corner, the entire lid. We're gonna take our fluffier brush. I'm gonna use this to blend it out. See, yeah. It is the Beauty Shop brush. Again, no idea. But when I went in, I'm gonna have no additional product on it, and I'm just gonna buff it in between these. See this sharp line? We don't want that. And I've noticed last time it took a little bit of the color off my lid when I did this, so we're gonna have to go back in with a little more and reapply. So I recommend not placing the shadow too high up because you can blend it up, but you can't blend it down. If that makes sense. That should make sense. You can bring the color up higher if you want after, but when placing the color originally, just keep it on your lid and then you can decide if you want more or less. No, you can't probably decide less. You can decide if you want more. I'm happy with that blend. I'm gonna go back in with the original brush with that brown shade on, and I'm just gonna go in and now we're gonna go back in with this flat brush, place the color one more time. And then blend one more time because I messed that up a little. Originally, I thought I was gonna leave this look matte, but I really liked this green shade. It's called Anthea? I don't know. This one is like an olive green with a pretty dark base. I did it with my finger. So let's do it with our finger. And I just went and put it straight down the center, just like oh yeah. And I'm kind of just like tapping lightly on the sides of it so that the glitter gets there a little, but it all really is focused right on the center. But it like helps, in my mind, it helps to blend it just a little. I like a little bit of glitter. Oh, honestly, I like a lot of glitter, but. So I lied when I said I'm only going to use this palette. I'm actually going to go into my second Natasha Denona mini palette and use the brown just to deepen the crease of it because I'm not doing liner. I'm gonna just like smoke it a little. I'm gonna use this as liner. So I'm gonna go into this deep brown. It's called Seed. I'm gonna use a little smudger brush for the lash line. Okay, so this is the smudge brush from Sephora. See? Ooh, ooh. I'm just doing that lash line first. Ooh, yeah. I like that. I'm going to go in with just like a tap of that brown. That's it. And just deepen the outer corner, just a smidge. I don't want it too much. Oh, wow, that is, my mirror gave me a different result. This is so much darker than I thought. There's this like spot on my eyelid right here that doesn't seem to pick up a lot of shade. It almost looks like a scar, but it's not that I know of. Who knows? Then I'm gonna go in one more time with my original blending brush for the first transitions shade and just and the reason I chose to do my face second for this look is because when I originally did it, I did my face first and then the eyes. And this gold shade that I'm gonna put on the inner corner had a lot of fallout, or like, yeah, had a bit of fallout. So I just want to avoid it by doing my face second. I'm gonna leave my lower lash line for after. So I'm going in with this little, like the old makeup brushes we always have, the very spongy ones, but I've used it with a lot of shimmer and glitter shades, and I like how it places the product. Just a little rub-a-dub. See, look at that. Amazing. We're just gonna oh, look at that. Look at that. It's like money. Gold and green. Bring money into my life. Oh my God. Ooh. It's not like brightening as a lot of people like their inner corners, but honestly, this is great. I love this. I think it's such a different, for me especially, a different look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate. I'm gonna do my waterline, bottom and top, also known as top and bottom, but I switched it up. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Naked Lashes from Ardell in 421. Should probably do my mascara first. I am using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in non-waterproof because I will have lashes on. Honestly, when I did this look though, my eyelashes were like banging. They were so good. And I was like, of course, when I did this look, I'm going to my boyfriend's house and a total of 2 people saw me. I'm gonna use the Duo Lash Glue with the little brush on. There we go, that's not too bad. I am getting slightly okay at this. If you guys don't listen to the Eagles, you don't have to, but honestly, they make me so happy. I'm not an old soul because a lot of the time I feel 17 and I don't feel old enough to be doing half the shit I do. Like taxes, I just graduated. That's not true. But like taxes, no. Living not in my parents' house, no. Like I gotta buy groceries every week. I gotta feed myself. I gotta eat healthy and no one's making my meals except me? That can't be right. I'm not old enough for that. Turns out I am. Well, it started iffy, but I think it's ending okay. So I'm not necessarily an old soul, but I do enjoy old music. Like the Eagles, one of my favorite bands. I've seen them in concert, they're amazing. They're much older than they were when they first started, but that's how life goes. But they were so fun. I went with my mom to the Eagles concert and it was so fun. It was so fun. There was this old lady who was like yelling at people to sit down. I'm like, ma'am, you're at a concert. I don't know what you expected. I got a little mascara on my lids. I'm gonna go back in with the glitter one more time, the green glitter on my finger. Tap it out. Yes, look at that, bitch. I'm nuts. No, I have a lot of energy. That's what it is. It's an exciting day. I'm excited. All right, so we are taking off any fallout. Woo! Okay, I honestly thought this lipstick would be a little browner. It's coming out a little orangey, but it's fine. Okay, so to finish off the bottom eyes, I didn't want to do my mascara before the spray because I always get mascara on the lash line. It's like I'm from Michigan or something. All right, so we're going in with the green. Good. Ooh, I like this. When I use this lash, I use this little Lights Camera Lashes, the mini, on my eyes. The last time I did this look, they were insane. They got so long, I didn't know what happened. It was amazing. And I've used this mascara and that wasn't the reaction before. I mean, look at that. Got the spider lashes going. Just go back in a little bit for the touch of gold. There we go. Ugh. All right, guys, this was it. Do I have, yeah. This is it. This is the final look using the Natasha Denona Mini Gold Palette. Obviously, you could use anything for this look, but I definitely wanted to try this out. And I also used the brown shade from her Mini Glam Palette, but you can use anything for that. It just, why not keep it consistent for a video, you know? The 2 new things I tried in the video were the Hourglass Mini Blush, Mini. It's the Ambient Lighting Blush and Luminous Blush. Cute, but expensive for how small it is. The Rihanna Fenty Beauty Powder in butter. Butter, but why not call it butter? This, I love the smell of this. It might be too strong for some people, but I love this. And it's super fine. I like it so far. It's kind of hard. I would love to use this all over my face. It's just small, and so I can't fit a big enough brush in it, so that's why you guys see me use this little brush for everything. So I liked those two new things. I hope you guys enjoyed. Pretty simple look. Everything's in one palette mostly, except the dark brown, but you could even skip that and just leave it like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and catch you later. Okay, bye, thanks. Do I have to go? Oh, I am late. Where is it? La, 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 la. Okay. You walked into the party like you walking onto a yacht.